Hi, this is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at a brand new midnight blue Scout 255 LXF luxury center console. So we start here at the helm. You'll notice a large Garmin screen, twin controls for the Yamaha 150 outboards, switches on your right, switches above, full glass enclosure, then at the top. Twin 150s as I mentioned. Transom seat folds out. Standard leaning post with sections for your lures, other fishing gear. Live well back there. Comes with an igloo cooler. This boat's equipped with the elevated sound system, subwoofer, speakers in the tower. More speakers in the hardtop in the front and in the bow. Notice the great seating setup here in front. Table that folds out. This boat comes with a windlass anchor. Controls up here on the front too for it as well. See again here the glass enclosure for the console. Nice spacious head for this size boat. It's your electronics panel, fusion stereo. Let's take a step down and check out the hull. As you take a look at the outside of the boat, you'll notice the midnight color runs throughout the full hull. Great option. Very sharp looking color. Big bow flare Scout's known for. If you have any questions about this boat, give us a call at MarineMax in New York.